Okay, so I have an Infiniti G20 2002 ECU, and the problem with this car is that it's throwing me P0505, and I checked on the forums and on YouTube, and it's very common for Infinitis to have this issue. And well, I did find some information on these other models of Infiniti, but I did not find much information about this model, so this is why I'm making this video. Another issue that I had is that when this code appears to happen, and it happens rarely, I believe, on this model. Well, actually, I'm not sure, but whenever you get this code, the air compressor stops working, and I'm not sure exactly why that is. I'm assuming they're correlated somehow, but I will show you that and see if you can see that. Let's see. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but well, I'll just show it to you this way. Right here, this little blue one, this is where the AC ground, is going here, and it goes somewhere here. Put it here. The ground signal is here, and it goes here to this blue one. Goes here. That's my AC ground signal, but what I want to look at is this idle air control valve. In the forums and on YouTube, they'll tell you that there's this part that looks like this one, but it's not the same part number that it does. I can't remember the part number on top of my head. And so I was wondering if it was one of these two that was bad, and because it was not the same part number, so I had to check. So this is my idle air control valve, and I checked continuity, and it appears to be here. So the idle air control valve goes here. So I'm assuming that this chip is my issue. And what I think is happening is this is supposed to send signal to the processor so the air compressor can turn on. I believe that's what is happening here. So I checked with the scanner, and it was listening, and it never appeared to know if the AC was on or not. So I'm assuming that it's not receiving signal for the compressor to turn on. And I'm going to change this chip, and hopefully they'll solve my issue. And I will check, see, and I will let you know if it works.